Everyone thinks the best-selling equestrian helmets are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Let's dig into the top 5 helmets that really stand out. Product number 1, Ovation Deluxe Schooler. First up is the Ovation Adult Deluxe Schooler Riding Helmet. Priced at around $70.87, this helmet really caught my attention with its sleek design and high ratings, 8 stars from over 4,200 reviews. If you want a lightweight and breathable helmet that feels great while offering serious protection, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this helmet stands out. Plus, the high-flow ventilation allows for comfortable airflow, so you won't feel like you're overheating during those extended sessions. The adjustable dial fit system ensures a secure fit, which is critical for safety. And with a removable washable liner, you can keep it feeling fresh ride after ride. With over 100 units sold in the past month, people are clearly finding value here. Now, some might say that the price is a bit higher compared to other options. Here's the thing, while you can find cheaper helmets, the quality and comfort you get with the Ovation really justify the price for serious riders. This helmet is perfect for you if you're a dedicated rider looking for comfort and safety. Skip this one if you're just casually riding once in a while. For its price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the Ovation Deluxe Schooler caught your eye but you're looking for something a bit different, the next helmet might surprise you. Product number 2, Troxel Spirit Duraduc. Next, we have the Troxel Spirit Duraduc Full Coverage Horse Riding Helmet. Priced at about $63.18, this one really impressed me with its stylish design and comfort features. If you're looking for a helmet that offers great coverage without sacrificing style, then this is definitely one to consider. This helmet features a low-profile design that adapts to various head shapes, which means it's great for most riders. The dial fit system allows you to adjust the fit easily, ensuring it stays snug during your ride. Plus, it includes strategically placed airflow vents to keep you cool, absolutely essential for those hot summer days. And with a removable washable headliner, your helmet will stay fresh, which is always a plus. With over 1,700 reviews and a solid rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that many riders appreciate this helmet's features. However, a few users mentioned that the sizing can be tricky for those with larger heads. But honestly, if you can try it on or measure beforehand, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for riders who value both comfort and style. If you're after a more budget-friendly option without compromising safety, this is a great choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a fun twist. Product number 3, Troxel Spirit Full Coverage. Now we're looking at another Troxel option, the Spirit Full Coverage Horse Riding Helmet. It's priced a bit higher at $75.88, but the design and safety features are exceptional. If comfort and protection are your top priorities, this helmet is definitely worth considering. The full coverage fit is designed for maximum security, wrapping around your head to keep you safe while riding. It has the same adjustable dial fit system as the previous Troxel model, which is great for achieving the perfect fit. The ventilation system is strategically placed as well, so you can ride for longer without feeling overheated. Available in fun graphics, this helmet also lets you express your style. Plus, with 3,500 reviews and a 4.8-star rating, it's a favorite among riders. Now, I did notice some feedback about the visor being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're gentle with it, it shouldn't pose a major problem. This is perfect for riders who want a stylish helmet that doesn't skimp on safety. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget, but if you can invest a little more for quality, it's worth it. Next up is a fantastic choice for younger equestrians who need a reliable helmet. Product number 4, Adjustable Kids Helmet. Next, we have the Adjustable Horse Riding Kids Helmet, specifically for kids aged 2 to 6 years. Priced at around $36.99, it's an affordable option for parents looking for safety gear for their little ones. If you want a budget-friendly helmet that meets safety standards, this is a solid pick. This helmet has a tough PVC outer shell and is fully vented for comfort, which is essential for kids who can get hot while riding. It's SAE certified, so you know it meets important safety standards, giving you peace of mind. The adjustable chin strap makes it easy to fit as your child grows, which is a great feature since they tend to grow quickly. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, parents seem happy with this purchase. Some parents noted that the sizing may run small for older kids. But honestly, this is common with kids' helmets, and as long as you check the size chart, you should be fine. This is perfect for parents seeking a safe, affordable helmet for their young riders. Skip this one if you need something for older children, as this is definitely geared towards the younger crowd. Now, if you're looking for something that caters to slightly older kids, stick around for the final helmet on our list. Product number 5, Troxel Spirit Kids Helmet. Finally, let's check out the Troxel Spirit Full Coverage Kids Helmet. At $75.88, it's a bit of an investment, but it offers great features and is perfect for kids. If you want a helmet that combines safety with fun designs, this one deserves your attention. This helmet offers a deeper, full coverage fit for superior comfort and protection, ideal for active kids. It includes the same adjustable dial fit system for a snug fit and features a stylish design that kids will love. Plus, the ventilation keeps them cool during rides, and the removable headliner is a breeze to clean. With 3,500 ratings and a solid 4.8 stars, parents appreciate the combination of style and safety. However, a few parents mentioned that the price might be high for occasional riders. But here's the thing, if your kids are serious about riding, investing in safety is always worth it. This is perfect for parents who want a helmet that provides both safety and style for their kids. Skip this if you're looking for something more basic. This is for those who want a higher-end option. With all these options today, you have a great range to choose from depending on your needs and budget. So there you have it. From the Ovation Deluxe Schooler to the Troxel Spirit options for kids, each helmet has something unique to offer. Remember, investing in a good helmet is investing in your safety and comfort while riding. Choose wisely and happy riding.